Hey guys, it's Dan with RVI. Hey, welcome back to our flat towing guide video series. In today's video, we're going to be talking about braking systems. When it comes to towed vehicle braking systems, there's two schools of thoughts. There's portable brakes, where the brake, every time you are going to tow your car, you put the portable brake on the floorboard of the vehicle, attach it to the brake pedal and plug it in. And then when you get to where you're going, you have to remove the portable brake and so that you can use the towed vehicle. So that's one school of thought. The other one is a fully installed unit. So the installed unit is a braking system that's permanently installed under the hood or in different various areas on the towed vehicle. And once it's installed, it's out of sight, out of mind. For the most part, you're gonna hook your vehicle up to your motorhome and drive away, and the towed vehicle brakes are gonna work. There is no wrong or right answer when picking a towed vehicle braking system. It's really a matter of your preference and what you're really looking for in your braking system. We here at RVI, we sell the RVI Brake 3 portable braking system. It's been around for 10 years, tried and true, very successful product for us here. I would say it's our hero product. And then we also make the Shadow installed braking system. Yeah, with the RVI Brake 3 portable system, the key features with this product are, number one, that it's very small, low profile, easy to install. The second great feature with our RVI Brake 3 is that it has a audible assistant that when you plug it in, it walks you through the install. So you get a perfect setup every time, so you're not going to travel down the road wondering, is the brake installed correctly? It truly will not let you install it wrong. If you do, it'll let you know. So, you know, the RVI Brake 3 portable system is really, if you're towing more than one vehicle, some people do, you know, tow two different vehicles at different times, then this one is absolutely for you. But even if you're a person that's going to have one towed vehicle and you're going to trade it in every 3 to 4 years, the portable could be a great option. It's really not about one is better than the other when we're talking portable or installed. But with the RVI Brake 3 system, it's just simple to put in. You could buy it, you know, in the morning and travel in the afternoon with it. So it's just a system that's ready to go as soon as you purchase it. So there's other manufacturers that have been making installed braking systems for a long time in the industry. And I would say the biggest barrier to entry for most consumers getting an installed unit is just the time that it takes to get the unit installed, and it affects the cost of the unit. So you can buy an installed unit for $1,000, one of our competitors, and then there's a 6 to 10 hour installation charge on that braking system. So you're well over $2,000, you know, by the time you get it installed. And the other side to it is these systems are very complicated to install. They require a seasoned technician to get the job done, to make sure it gets done right. And then I would say the other downfall to the competitors' installed systems is if you ever want to change a towed vehicle, you have to take all of that off and then reinstall it on another vehicle, or sell it with the towed vehicle that you are trading in and then go and do the whole route again. With the RVI Brake Shadow system that we manufacture, you don't have to worry about this heavy installation time or the transferring from one towed vehicle to another, because we've developed our product so that it can be installed in less than 2 hours. I would say that a seasoned mechanic, an installer, after installing a few of the Shadows, could probably do them in about an hour. If you were to do this yourself, and our motto here is that if you can change your oil, then you could install your own shadow braking system. So we've really taken the work out of the install. It's really a plug-and-play system. There's three major components, and it all gets done underneath the hood of the towed vehicle. With a lot of the other competitors' installed system, some of the components go under the hood, some of them go into the towed vehicle, driver's compartment. You got to remove carpet, pull seats, all kinds of things. None of that happens with our installed system. So when you're looking for a braking system for your towed vehicle, remember, portable could be exactly right for you, or installed could be exactly right for you. Feel free to reach out and get any information on these systems from our customer care team here at RVI, and they'll just help you make the right decision for you and your lifestyle. And I would also say that one of the other very important things, whether you go portable or installed, is they both work with our command center tablet and hub system, so that you can monitor both of these brakes on the dash of the motorhome. You can also add tire monitoring to the system, and you monitor everything on one screen. So look, do some research, figure out what your lifestyle is, and you'll pick the right braking system, whether it's our installed or if it's our portable system. So guys, as you can see, whether you pick our installed unit or our portable unit, it's really whatever meets your RVing lifestyle. If you have any questions about this video series on braking systems, you can reach out to our customer service champions. You can call, you can text, or you can email. They're here to help you. And as always, happy RVing.